Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On September 18, 2020, I received a PR package from the brand Pretty Secret. Pretty Secret's products are available at watsons.com.ph and on Watsons' official Shopee mall. They have cosmetic products, skincare products, nail and foot care products, and accessories. I'll be leaving the links to their shops and their social media pages on the description box below, so don't forget to check them out after finishing this video. Okay, so this is the PR package that I received, and it sure is heavy. And here's a sneak peek on what's inside. Now let me show you each product. First we have is their Lavender and Chamomile foot pack with Pumice set. Let's open this set. I don't know why, but I'm also liking this clear plastic pouch bag. Is it just me, or do you guys find it adorable too? So we have Pretty Secret's Foot Soak. This one relaxes and helps soften tired and abused feet. You can see the directions on how to use this on the left side of the bottle. And the manufactured and the expiration date is also included on the bottle. On the right side of the bottle, you can see the ingredients and more. Next is Pretty Secret's Foot Scrub. This relaxes and helps exfoliate tired and abused feet. By the way, these are in 120 ml bottles. Then we have their foot lotion. This relaxes and moisturizes tired and abused feet. Then this is their foot spray. This relaxes and softens tired and abused feet. This is in a 60 ml spray bottle. And the last item from this set is a Pumice Stone. Now let's proceed with the next product. We have Pretty Secret's Brightening Foot Mask with milk and cucumber extracts. This one helps nourish and brighten feet, helps provide moisture to dry and cracked skin, and it leaves your feet soft and smooth. This pack has one pair of wearable sock-type foot mask, and you can leave it on your feet for 20 minutes. At the back of it, you can see more details, the directions on how to use it, the ingredients, and more. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read the details of this product. Next we have is Pretty Secrets Pedicure Kit. Here are the list of the items that are included in this kit. Now let's peel off the seal. And let's open the bag. First we have is their scented nail polish remover, and it's in a 60 ml bottle. And you can see the ingredients on the left side of the bottle. And on the right side, you can see the directions on how to use it. Underneath the bottle, you can see the manufactured and the expiration date. Next we have is their Cuticle Remover. This gently removes excess skin from the cuticle area while moisturizing the nail. Next is Foot Blush. This gives your feet the nice pinkish glow on your soles. It also helps eliminate foot odor. It's in a 60 ml spray bottle. Then we have a nail file. A nail cutter, and a nail pusher. Then we have Pretty Secrets Manicure Kit. And the items included in this kit are listed. Now let's open it. We have another nail polish remover. This is used to remove nail polish from the nail plate without drying or smearing. We also have another cuticle remover. And this is Cuticle Tint. This nail care solution provides a well-groomed contour and gives you a natural pinkish looking nails. Then we have a nail brush and a nail cutter. Next we have from Pretty Secrets PR package is a do-it-yourself nail art kit. Then we have Pretty Secrets 3D Trendy Nail Sticker. And then we have 3D Classic Nail Sticker. And lastly, we have Pretty Secrets Classic Nail Color Collection. Now let's open it. We have 4 nail polishes and a toe separator. And that's all of the products that Pretty Secret sent me. I would like to thank Miss Cal, Pretty Secret, and Lifestrong Essentials for all of these products. Thank you so much for sending me all of these amazing products. Once again, you can check out Pretty Secret products at watsons.com.ph or at the Watson app. And you can also find their products on Watson's official Shopee Mall. All of their links will be available below, so don't forget to check them out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!